or you can just call me Bino for today's channel. And for today, we got another exciting packaging for y'all. Bam. So as you can see, I got another package, like a plug. I usually say company. I don't even know why I said it really, but shout out to this company. Yeah. Shout out to the plug for sending me this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what is inside it. It looks heavy and it feels heavy, obviously, but I ain't gonna rush into detail the description of describing what is inside this box. But let's just get right to it, to the unboxing. Okay. Okay. Put this aside. There we go. Alright, so here we have the Air Jordan Black Cat 4's. As y'all can see, it's been a long time coming, honestly. Now, this is a shoe I've been wanting to get for a very, very long time. Since I was a kid, I always loved Black Cat 4's, Jordan 4's in general. They look good. They even go with anything really. Like you can wear jeans, you can wear shorts. It don't matter. Black Cat 4's will make your outfit look bummy outfit into a good fit really. But this shoe has always been iconic. It's always been a silhouette for a basic Jordan 1, like an all-white Jordan 4. Just what a Jordan 4 box looked like. I don't know why I said that, so forget what I said. But yeah, man, let's look inside of it. And the box is too sturdy. Sheesh. All right. Don't mind about this. All right. So, damn, that shit's strong as hell. So here we have the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats on hands. And let me tell y'all, man, it looks really good. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's hard to see it, but like when you look at it much closer, it's really beautiful. It's like I can't even tell which is which. It has that perfect smooth suede. Like, it's not movable or nothing, but yeah, it's not movable or anything like that. You can still move it around or somewhat. It has a good lighting, and of course it has a messed up Jordan logo, but it's okay. It is what it is really. It doesn't really matter with me. I don't really care. But this shoe is really iconic. I love this shoe. I've been trying to get this shoe for a very long time, I'll probably say since I was in high school. No, college actually, sorry. College. And I always failed multiple times on getting this. So now since I have them, huge blessing for the plug that sent me this, really. Very huge blessing. And I hope they can work with your boy more. But the one thing I love about the Black Cat 4's is that it practically blends in with everything, you know what I mean? Like, it just goes with everything. Like, black goes with a lot of things in general, like cargo, like with jeans or fashion top pieces. And on top of that, this shoe is just so pure clean that if you rock anything with this, it's gonna be easy for you to make yourself look good. That's all I'm trying to say. I like how the midsole is perfect, and and I like how the top of the shoe, the tongue is amazing. It smells great too, even though it got the excessive glue smell. Even the insole looks great as well, even though y'all can see the shoe tree, but the insole looks great. It got that grayish Jumpman inside. The tongue is okay. I mean, we don't care about the tongue really, unless you're a fucking weirdo. But yeah, even the inside of the tongue too as well, where it says Air Jordan. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, I also said that. But it's in gray, so some can, some can't, which is okay. That's fine. If you have poor eyesight like me, that's fine. But yeah, I like the straps are on point. They're perfect. Even the pockets are good too. The pocket insides are amazing as well. They lined it perfectly. Even on the side of the shoe as well too. Even the back, the heel, the back of the shoe, the Jumpman logo looks really well stitched. Amazing. And honestly, this shoe, I'll give this shoe a 9 out of 10. The reason why I'll give this 9 out of 10 is because like I don't see anything wrong with this. I was like a high ass authenticator, right? It would be hard to like just look at it, really. You know what I mean? Like it'd just be hard to look at it. Even if I was a high ass authenticator, I would probably look at the details. And I don't see anything wrong with this shoe. I mean, it probably have like excessive glue marks on it, but other than that, this is a really good shoe. Really good shoe, well designed, well crafted, and just flat out a basic color and really dope too. Let me take out the. And yes, it comes with the Jordan. It comes with the Jordan tag. So yeah, comes with the Jordan tag. One of a kind, Jordan 4. Even the bottom is amazing, even with the white Jumpman logo. I know if Colo was on here, he'll probably say if this was black, he would have kept this white and the back white as well too. But then again, it looks all right. It looks good. And yeah, it could have made the Jumpman tongue white and even here white as well. Then okay, it's a black cat for it. But since they wanted to keep it original, basic, it's a black cat. So other than that, man, what y'all think of these? Like, what y'all think? Huh? They look good, right? But enough of the talk, really. Let's get to this on for review. Let's go.